Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be doing my second video for the Disney villain series where you have to try to guess who the Disney villain is that inspired my nails. So for starters, I'm going to be using all LGNPro hard gels today, and to start off, we're going to be going in with a true nude. Now it's going to be hard to describe what I'm doing without giving the character away, so we'll just have to see how I do. I know for sure I want to do an extended nail bed here on my middle finger, so we're first going to be starting off with that. I have not used hard gel in a minute, and I really feel like I don't know what I'm doing right now. All right, I'm gonna cure that. So I just added a second layer. Now I'm gonna cure that. That's good for right now. I think I do want to file it down like here. It just looks a little too bulky, but I think I'll do that in a little bit here. I'm gonna go in with Crystal Clear. I'm adding a thin layer of Crystal Clear because we're gonna be adding some other colors, and I want it to marble itself in there. So I'm hoping it turns out the way I want it to. These colors are so pretty from the LGNPro collection. She's got a few of them, and then we're gonna be adding a little bit of glitter. Look how pretty this pink is. Oh my God, so pretty. It's like a hot pink. And I only want this to be very minimal. Take a little bit of white too. Oh shit. Also gonna take some of these glitters and add some of these ones right here. Oh, some of this pink glitter. Next, I'm going to take some of this black and I'm going to kind of marble that in on top. Hopefully this doesn't mess it up. I actually never thought of marbling with builder gel until I saw Lissette Cruz do it, but it actually just gives you a ton of time to work with it. You don't really have to worry about it blending too much into each other because it's a lot thicker than gel polish. So you can kind of just take as long as you need before you actually cure it. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm gonna cure that. And I basically want it to look like the black is consuming the pink and the blue sparkles. All right, we are going to encapsulate everything, but now I'm going to go in with the black again. And we're going to use this as the base color for my index finger and also my pinky and thumb. So now I'm going to go in with that clear, and I'm just going to take that at the tip here. And now I'm going to go in with some of Laser Beam, which is this really beautiful lime green color. Then I'm going to go back in with some black and do the same thing. And now I'm going to cure that. So now I'm going to go repeat this on my pinky and my thumb, and then I'll be right back. This is how we are looking after I finish those. And now I'm going to go in with some black. And I hope this turns out, because right now I'm a little skeptical, I'm not going to lie. All right, I'm going to cure that. I'm going to go in with Black Light, which is this gorgeous purple color. I'm gonna go back in with some glistening, and we're gonna add a little bit of glitter.
Just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter till I'm shining bright. I never wanna leave the sky. The way you made me feel alive. I was in the dark and baby, you're the light. You're from another planet.
Now we're gonna go in with clear, and we're going to encapsulate everything. I'm gonna go finish encapsulating these, and I will be back. How we're looking after everything has been filed, shaped, and buffed. I did have to go in with some black polish to fill in some areas that I ended up filing too much. And then I did go around the smile line here just to define that a little bit more. So now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna add a little design, and then we're gonna add in some bling.
You give me love now unconditional. My heart condition nearly critical. You make me stronger than I've ever been before. But also weak and the knees falling to the floor. Afraid I'll lose myself deep in your eyes. And all at once I'm found and recognized. Oh, you got me, honey, unbelievable. Now that you got me, oh, it's unmistakable.
So I grabbed a bunch of bling. I don't know exactly what I want to do yet, but I figured this would be kind of perfect for what I was going for. I didn't have any purple though, which is a bummer. I'm not very good at gem placement, so hopefully this turns out all right.
Feel my cheeks blush each time your gaze meets mine. Get all a flutter, feeling butterflies. Shot to the heart with all of Cupid's arrows. I'm flying higher with my own Romeo. All the feels, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. All the feels. All the feels, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. All the feels, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. The feels.
So here's the finished design. If you've not guessed it by now, my inspiration was from Maleficent. The pink and the blue nail is supposed to represent Aurora and just, you know, Maleficent trying to get rid of her. So that's kind of the take I was going for there. Obviously the black crow feathers is totally Maleficent, and then the green smoky powers that she has. So I tried to incorporate as much as I could without making it look too corny. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set and when you guys were able to figure it out and guess. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!